drums is Anton, he's with a soft lane. Yeah. Okay, yeah. The man on keyboards is Greg. The lady's name is Banjo. Alright, here we go. The man's name is Brad. I'm Mark. We are the Anthem Strangers. Yeah. Yeah, thank you very much. All the people out there, how are you doing? All the party animals, I want to see you go, yeah, yeah. Alright, this is Chariots of Fun, Saturday night. There are about 1,500 people here, I think, I'm sure. And what we're going to do is, I think we're going to give away some of this stuff. Who wants some of this stuff? What we're going to do is, we're going to have a little bit of a competition now. What we're going to do is, the people that can stay on each other's shoulders for the longest are going to get a bottle of this, okay? So, for one song, you stay on the other person's shoulders, and we'll see if we give you a bottle of champagne. But you got to party, you're not going to stand there. You got to dance while you're doing it. Here we go.
It's happening right there, and it's happening there.
Okay,
these guys are the first, there's some more there. Alright, something brand new, but that's not good. The barman cannot enter.
No, sorry.
Listen, guys. You must keep the barman busy. All they do is stand around. They stand around and talk, and they go on and on. Keep these guys busy. Make sure they work hard. Check this out, okay? It's happening here. It's happening. For one song, for a bottle of champagne, something brand new from a band called Capella. Keyboards.
Yeah.
Are you ready out there?
All right.
Say yeah. Say yeah. Say yeah.
Come on, kick it.
Okay, are you guys all right out there? All right, Mark, what do you reckon? Are you ready, Mark? It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Well, it's okay. Well, it's alright.
Is that nasty or what? Yeah. We did it. Damn, the time's so dead. One time. Well, it's okay, alright. Well, I can live with that. It's okay, alright. What do you think about that? It's okay, alright. Well, I can live with that. It's okay, alright. What do you think about that? Come on, everybody, let your body move. Yeah, sing, yeah. Come on, everybody, let your body move to the top. Times one time. Come on, everybody, let your body move to the rhythm. I want everybody out there, are you ready to sing? Come on, everybody, let your body move to the rhythm. All right, I want to hear you singing now. This is your time. Well, it's okay. I can live with that. It's okay. And what you think about that? It's okay. I can live with that. It's okay. And what you think about that?
Alright, okay. Some champagne, anybody? Okay, Mark, you do your side. Okay.
What do you think? We're going to choose. I want to create a line in the middle over here. Hold on a second. Right down the center. We're going to do something with a competition over here. We'll see which side we're going to give the bottle to, okay? Line here. All right, line over here. All right, this side of the house. I'm going to hear you go, yeah, yeah. Yeah! All right,
This side of the house, say yeah!
They're whooping our asses. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, go, yeah, yeah.
That's okay. This side, say yeah, yeah!
It's a tie. Let's give it. What we're going to do is, we're going to give everyone a champagne to share, okay? It's cool. Please, there's a couple more bottles to come, so please, everybody take a sip. Be cool, okay? Everyone take a sip, okay? All right.
Okay, remember to pass the bottles around. Be kind to everybody. Mark, what are we gonna do? We're gonna...
I don't know, you want to mess around with me?
Should we mess around?
You don't have to be beautiful to turn on. I just need your body, baby. Oh, just to go. Let me be your fantasy. And baby, give you the vibe. Just lean up to baby. And we can have a good time. Right and straight. We don't have to be rich to be my guy. You don't have to be cool to rule my life. Ain't no particular side on the back on the whip. I just want your, yo, I need your kiss.
That's not bad. Mark, should we do some guitar music, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, all the party animals sing yeah! Oh, let's start a style.